Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Douye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Douye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Douye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has indicated his willingness to partner with the Ministry of Niger Delta Development in the rehabilitation and reconstruction of the East-West Road, which is said should be renamed as South-South Road. Senator Diri made this known at the Bayelsa State Government House when he received in audience the new Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo.
Last week, the Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, was at Creek Haven in Bayelsa State on a working visit to Governor Douye Diri as part of his consultative visit to Niger Delta states. The deplorable state of the ever-busy East-West Road and the impending 2023 flood topped discussions between Governor Diri and his guests. Governor Diri lamented how issues bordering on fixing the deplorable East-West Road had been treated with levity by previous governments despite its economic relevance to the country.
And that's why most times the people of this region feel that we have been shortchanged. With all that we produce, with all that we have brought in to the federal kitty, what actually comes to us is more like peanuts. We urgently need the fixing of the East-West Road.
The Honorable Minister for Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, who had earlier inspected the East-West Road and described its condition as worrisome, said his ministry will prioritize its reconstruction. He asked for collective efforts on the part of South-South governors in ensuring that the road is fixed as soon as possible.
It has to be a teamwork between those of us in Abuja who are ministers from the South-South and the executive governors from the South-South geopolitical zones. I think if we put our effort together, I'm sure we'll be able to deliver this road.
Senator Douye Diri, however, stated his willingness to collaborate with the Ministry of Niger Delta Development to ensure the success of the project.
I will carry the message to my brother governors. We all want to see a speedy completion of the East-West Road. The East-West Road has been overflogged. This road has been there for years. Several other roads like it have been completed, but this road is still lacking behind. And it is the soul of all the 6 states of the Niger Delta. And I believe that we will cooperate with your honorable self in ensuring that we carry the message to wherever it is necessary to ensure the completion of the East-West Road on record time.
In the wake of the 2022 flood disaster, Bayelsa State was cut off from its neighboring states of Rivers and Delta due to the massive impact of the flood on the East-West Road. Recounting how Bayelsa State was devastated, Governor Diri called for interventions from the federal government even as the state anticipates the 2023 floods as predicted by the Nigerian Meteorological Agency, NIMET.
Bayelsa State, amongst other states, have been severely warned that the floods are here again. September, October is the peak of flooding in Bayelsa State. And so, Honorable Minister, please carry our message to Mr. President. We don't want to be at war again the way we were in 2022.
In time past, the federal government had spent billions of naira in carrying out remediation works on failed portions of the East-West Road without any significant results. It is now expected that the administration of President Bola Tinubu will prioritize the reconstruction of the East-West Road once and for all.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Douye Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring developments to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Douye Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Douye Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Douye Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.